Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist. Here, continuing our tour on the FEC Little River Spur. So this is Waterway Drive, and here you can see where the pavement marking used to be. Somebody tried to black it out with paint, as in like it's no longer relevant. Well, I still believe it's relevant, and that you guys might find this amusing. Not railroad related, but nonetheless funny. So this is a storage facility. And then there's an apartment right there where somebody lives right above the storage facility. They have a bird cage and trees and whatnot. Very cozy. Okay, so as I was saying, I am walking east towards the old right away. And I do remember that there was gates here. Let's see if we can find any traces of them. Ah, yes, there it is. Kaboom. Want to stick my hand in there because I don't know if there was a snake or whatnot, but yeah, look at the cable right there. The bottom of the screen. So this was indeed a gated crossing. Relay cases on the other side, I'll get to that right now. I want to show you guys something interesting over here. Okay, so this is the old, oh look, a spark plug. I wonder if this is from the train. NGK. It's from a Japanese car. Okay, so we can still see some ties in place over here. And wait for it, there is a historic trestle over here. More ties. Side note, I can't remember if it was 2005 or 2006. There was a rapist in Miami that was on the loose. He was raping old ladies in Little Havana. He was known as the Shenandoah rapist, and police found him in that location right there in 2005. Okay, so this is what I want to show you guys. And here we can see the stamp on the tie. It was replaced September 1998. Pilings, I-beam. Oh my God, there's some huge spiders over here. Banana spiders. If that bridge could talk, imagine the stories it could tell. Yeah, it's just a shame. I mean, there's no level ground for me to step on there. I'd love to see that. And over here, let me see. I'm trying to support myself with this so I can give you guys a top part aerial view of the bridge. Yeah. Okay. So as I said, that's track view south. See if I can get a shot of the waterway over here. It doesn't look like it was ever navigable. Okay, now let's work our way back to the road, shall we? And then this is Waterway Drive facing east again. Down there we can see some remnants of a pavement marking. On this side, okay, yeah, this is where this one had a foundation over here, a steel foundation. Boom. And that's where the wires were cut, right there. So this was your relay case. And this would have been Track View North. Down there, there's some sort of post. I can't tell if it's a mile post. It's right there. Let me point it out to you. Oh. Right there. But it's all graffitied up, so you can't really tell what it was. Alrighty guys, leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this video. The FEC, or what was the FEC, Little River Spur. Thank you for viewing, take care, bye bye.